Hi guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to another Vlogmas video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today's gonna be crazy. We're doing some last minute Christmas shopping, and then I'm also getting some exciting stuff, but I don't want to spoil it for this video, so I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, so it was raining for I think 7 days straight. Today is the first day of sunshine again. The clouds are, I mean, there's some clouds, but the sky there is pretty clear, and the car says it's 32 degrees.
Merry Christmas!
The malls are like hectic busy. We are just in Mr. Price quickly, just getting some goodies. Christmas gifts for dads.
Yeah, 100.
But more for Kev, because he'll probably have the chicken in there.
But we can make it with Coke as well. It's nice.
Look at this beauty. Guys, she's at Guess in Eastgate. If you want a number, you have to come and ask her. This is the best guest, because you guys are always so friendly. So I'm choosing an outfit for Sunday's event. I'm actually quite excited because there's quite a few new things here. I've been eyeing this one pair of jeans, but I don't know if they have it, so I have to check and see. Okay, so this is brand new, which I think is really pretty, and then with these shoes and this handbag, like casual chic. Let's try it on. It looks like casual, but really cute. We decided on having Popeyes because, I mean,
Don't come to Eastgate and not have
Popeyes. Look at this friendly staff at Popeyes. Isn't she cute? Thank you. The mall is so crazy, you guys. I don't know, like, is people already on leave? Look at my okay, we're going to the Glen now because I really wanna go to the clicks there and check out the gift hampers and stuff like that. Yeah, good luck to us. So we are in Clicks right now. They actually have a 3 for 2 special, so we'll kind of just see what gift packs they have available and show you guys.
9, 6. Now serving at counter 1.
So hard finding a gift for people sometimes because lately gifts are so expensive. I don't know. This is another pink happiness box. How pretty is this watch? I really love this. I think my sister will actually like it as well. And this. Thank you so much. Look at this lovely manager. Say hi for the YouTube fam. Thank you so much for helping us, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have lots of gift bags. I think this is actually quite cute as well. They have like little perfume sets. Cute, like different fragrances. Velvet. I know Charlie's is something that's been around for years. I like this bag. Unforgettable with a little bracelet. That is so pretty. That one. Okay, here we have the gift sets for the gents. So this is a pub, regular man. Then we have fire and ice.
What are we getting this for?
I don't know. Do you think Dwayne will like this one? I probably might just buy this one. So we're just paying for our goodies. I think we need gift wrap as well. This is nice. Are you gonna wrap the gift?
Yes, because I'm a rapper.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Yay, gifts are so sad. Now we need to go and wrap them. Thank you, Clicks.
Gonna spend some Christmas time with some friends that you call family, having a blast, unwrapping a gift. Don't stop us now. And I didn't even have my monster yet.
I need this. I need this. We just got syrup because I want to make everyone iced coffee tonight. I've never tried this. Got it at Checkers, so we'll see. It's vanilla flavored syrup. Cool beans. Hello dogs. Hello dogs. Hello. Hello Chucky.
are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. All of the presents.
It is now 23:23. Almost midnight, and I am famished, but it was such a nice night. We had so much fun. My stomach so sore from all the laughing, but it was so nice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, until next time.